We're Green Home Solutions, the industry leader in all things indoor air quality. Let's explore our full suite of indoor air quality services. Air quality testing. Our state-of-the-art testing equipment helps identify pollutants, allergens, particulates, VOCs, and contaminants in your home's air, providing you with valuable insights into your indoor air quality. Mold. Utilizing our proprietary solution made of enzymes harvested from the aloe vera plant, our remediation services not only eliminate mold but also help prevent its return by continuing to work even after mold has been remediated. Crawl space encapsulation. Our crawl space encapsulation services create a protective barrier, improving energy efficiency and preventing indoor air contamination. Odor removal. Whether it's pets, smoking, or something else, our odor removal services effectively neutralize and eliminate odors at their source. Disinfection services. Green Home Solutions disinfection services utilize safe and effective hospital-grade disinfectants to engulf, overwhelm, and digest bad bacteria and remain effective for up to 90 days. Duct cleaning. Duct cleaning ensures your HVAC system functions efficiently, removing dust, allergens, and contaminants from your home. Probiotics. Our revolutionary chemical-free environmental probiotic air purification solution introduces a carefully cultured strain of beneficial probiotics into your air to maintain a balanced and healthy indoor microbiome, improving air quality over time. Take the first step towards a healthier home today. 1-800-SOLUTIONS or www.greenhomesolutions.com.